Hey guys, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we are checking out the seat covers on the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Front and rear seat covers in here. It's the light gray neoprene material for the insert and trim, diamond stitch down the middle, and black thread. So just a really cool look inside here, and just transformed the interior here and really lightened it up. It was a really dark black vinyl in here before. This is going to be so much lighter, softer seats to sit on, more comfortable, and just a really cool look. Let's check them out. So let's check out the fabrics that we used inside this seat cover. Again, this is the light gray neoprene material, and with the diamond stitch, and the diamond stitch has the black thread. So this vehicle already had a lot of black in it. The customers told me, hey, it's so hot riding on that Jeep. So how we found the solution for that was we said, all right, let's go with a lighter color in there, and also let's go with the neoprene material, because the neoprene material is not gonna be as hot to sit on as a leather, a faux leather, a vinyl. Those are all gonna be a lot hotter to sit on. So this neoprene material is gonna breathe better. It's gonna be more comfortable. It's a nice thick material. We have free fabric samples we can send out to you if you want some samples of this. But then we still wanted to do that black stitch in the middle to still contrast nicely with the black that's inside the vehicle, but still making it a lighter tone seat cover so that it doesn't get as hot. And it also just added a lot of color, a lot lighter color inside here, which was really nice. So we did that neoprene in the middle there. The trim side is neoprene as well, light gray. So light gray on light gray, and then with that black stitch in the middle section there. So just a really nice tight fit around this backrest, and just gonna be a really, really good looking cover to protect these seats and be a more comfortable ride for this customer. Now let's check out the driver headrest. Just a great fitment right there, fully covered on the sides as well as underneath. That's where that Velcro closure closes up right there. And looking around the headrest post area, you can see how that finishes out. I have a full install video teaching you how to install all of this. These covers just pull over the original seats. Quite a simple install. And I walk you through all of those steps in my install video, how to get all this on, just so you get a nice finished look, just like what we're showing here. Here's the driver bottom cover. You can see matching with the backrest, that light gray neoprene material for the trim, the outside section, as well as the insert, that black diamond stitch in the middle there, all looking really nice. Now this driver bottom, this is what gets a lot of wear and tear. In fact, the original seat, the vinyl was already cracking and ripping underneath this. So we have that covered and protected now so it doesn't continue to rip and tear. And that's a good reminder why it's so important to get custom seat covers put on your new vehicles right away so you don't start wearing through and cracking that original material in there. So we got this all protected now. Trims out really nice around the controls. Right here, there's that seat adjustment bar right there covered underneath that, and then also around that lumbar knob. Now, a super common question is, are these seat covers airbag compatible? The answer is yes. If the airbag ever needs to deploy, on this particular series, this is how it works. There's an inner panel right here that tucks in right around there, and it would deploy out. So you still get full coverage around this area. That would just blow out right through there if that airbag ever needs to shoot outside of the seat. That airbag is built into the seat. If you're not aware, airbag's built into the seat, and it would blow out right through there. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that in the Silver Series set of seat covers that we offer, we do not offer console lid covers in that particular series. So in this Jeep, it had a black console, and that's why I still wanted to go with a black thread, because that black thread contrasts nicely with the console, because this was not going to be covered. So this is going to be in the original material here that Jeep made it in, and so that was going to stay black, and that's why we went with black thread right there, and so still matches up really nice. Now we are on the back side of the front driver's seat. You can see this has a nice large map pocket made out of that neoprene material here, and this first aid kit that I have here, we actually sell first aid kits like this, and they're great first aid kits, tourniquets, Israeli bandages in them. so important to have first aid supplies always inside your vehicle. So this is just how that fits in. So I stuff that in right there. Just a nice large pocket there. You can stuff your jacket, binoculars, other gear inside there. And so you can see it's just pretty deep pocket as you can reach in there. So just for whatever other gear you have, that's going to be on your driver and passenger sides. You'll have those pockets, and again, made out of the matching fabric, that's your trim fabric. So whatever fabric choice you choose for the outside trim bolsters, that's going to wrap around to the back side. Also, you can see this material goes down the back side right here, so it covers there, and then you just get another layer forming that pocket. I get some customers that say, hey, do I still have access to my old pockets? You don't. It's going to cover over those old fabric pockets, so those matte pockets, and it's going to form a new matte pocket right here with that new material. Now down lower towards the bottom of this seat, you can see how far this cover reaches down to cover the back side. You have a carpet seat bib, so it's carpet on the back side here. And if guys get in with their boots, or your kids are in here, or the dogs get in wet and muddy, or there's that dog hair, that's so annoying trying to clean up that carpet down there. So it's nice having that cover come all the way down and cover that, so it'll be a lot easier to wipe down. Now we're checking out the rear seats. This is Jeep's rear seat that does not have a center armrest, but it is a 60-40 split seat, meaning that there's a 60 section here. This is a larger section here, and then a smaller section over on the other side, and that folds separately. Okay, so that's, again, this is called 60 here, folding separately from the 40, and that does have backside coverage, which is really cool, because you may have this down. You may have your gear, or your tools that you're throwing on top of this, your tool bags. And it's gonna be so much easier to wipe down compared to that, carpet on the back side of this normally. So annoying to have to clean up hair and mud off of carpet, right? That's not cool. So now it's gonna be way easier to wipe down. The bottom lifts up as well. So, and that has underside coverage, which is really cool too, because I have a lot of guys, they have this up. Dogs are back here, gear's back here. The hair, last customer I was talking to, he's trying to clean hair off of that carpet underneath his seats, and it's so hard to clean off. So it's nice to have a seat cover that goes under and covers that there. So now, again, like I mentioned, no center armrest. If there was a center armrest that pulled down right here, we would have accommodations for that. There would be a cutout, it'd have its own armrest cover, but this one didn't. This particular Jeep does not have that armrest here, so it's just that 60 here without an armrest. That 40 over there, also underside coverage and backside coverage there, fully covered, just looking really nice. Another thing to keep in mind is the safety features. So seatbelt, this is an integrated seatbelt. The cover accommodated for that. That's part of what this, there was a zipper on the back side right here, and in my install video, I show you how to install that. You slide that underneath the seatbelt, pull it together, zip that up, so then it all pulls together really nice and quite simple to install. The other safety features are the ISOFIX bars. So down here, if you're using the car seats, let's say you're locking in your car seats with the little kiddos, well, those ISOFIX bars are really nice. They're just handy. You just push those in, they clip in right there. So it's nice to have those accessible. That way you can still use those ISOFIX bars right there. And so there's cutouts around there, cutouts for the seatbelt receivers down here in the seatbelts area. Everything folds and functions just how it should. Really cool to have front and rear matching seat covers. Headrests are all covered. There's two large outside headrests, a middle headrest in here. Those all need their own size of headrest covers. That's why a universal fit cover would never work and never look like this. This looks so much better when you have a true custom fit seat cover on your seats. And that's why you pay a little bit more for custom seat covers that actually fit your seats, but they look so much better and they perform so much better for you. Just an awesome looking set here on this rear seat on this Jeep Gladiator. Now these rear outside headrests, they do have a side button that you push in right here, and that moves the headrest down. And a lot of what that is for when you pull this seat down like this, it's gonna allow these backrests, or these driver and passenger seats to move further back, or else then it cuts off a couple inches there, so you can move your seats a little further back. So that's accommodated for. And the other features too on this seat cover that you're gonna see is there is a cutout here for the seat to be able to latch back up in place. So that's this little section right here. You still get full coverage back here outside of this little area that was needed to be able to come back up and clip in. The last bit is on this outside shoulder. There's a cutout here that trims out really nice for that pull tab area, so you still have access to your pull tabs. You need to have access to all your pull tabs, guys, to be able to fold and function your seats there. And so you're gonna be able to pull that up and get that seat back down, and everything stays on nice and tight, looking good. Now this middle headrest, it lifts up as well, similar to the front headrest. Those can lift up and out. Now these outside headrests, they don't lift up, they don't adjust up and down, but this middle one does, in case if you have a taller person riding here in the middle. You can see that cover around the small headrest trims out really nice and just gives you a great finished look there in the middle section there with that middle headrest. Now a little bit more info about this particular fabric, because there are varying grades of neoprene out there, and there's Neo Supreme and some other types of fabrics. So this is a high quality neoprene material, and it has a polyester top to it that's going to give it the color. So what I want to show you here, this is one of our fabric samples. If you want to have a sample mailed out to you so you can feel it, test it, check the color for your vehicle, contact our team. We're happy to send you out fabric samples. Okay, now here's a fabric sample here. What you can see, here's the polyester top section right there. That's gonna where the color is gonna be on the top right there. And then right underneath there, okay, there's that bottom layer, this black layer right there. That black layer is the neoprene material. Okay, so those are adhered together and into one material. So you can see here, again, that bottom one is that neoprene. So it is a waterproof material. So the water will not be able to get through that. That's just a great barrier, especially that neoprene. That's why a lot of people like neoprene, is they're familiar with its water and how it just repels water. And it's a little bit more comfortable, a little bit softer, and conforms around the seats a little bit better. So it's a nice fabric, really is a good fabric, and quite durable. We actually did another test a little bit earlier, and we tried kind of scratching this with a screwdriver, and we were trying to get it to scratch up as much as we could, and it's actually very durable. And so again, top layer of polyester, and then there's that neoprene right underneath it. Again, a great fabric for the outdoors. If you're getting wet, this is a really good choice, and also gonna keep you a little bit cooler than some of those faux leather or those leather options, and just a little bit more comfortable of a ride because it breathes a little bit better than a leather does. And that was the issue with this particular customer. They came to me and said, hey, my seats are so hot. They're black. We go in the outdoors, the sun sits on them, and it burns my legs, So neoprene won't get as hot, but it does still repel that water and keeps your seats dry underneath. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs, with really that focus on those trucks, Jeeps, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.